we're going to look at synthetic division with a twist, okay? Process doesn't change, but there's just a couple things that we have to look at to make this work, okay? The twist is coming in right here. See how there's this 3 attached to my variable? So what goes in the box is going to be a little bit more complicated than just say, I'm putting in a 2, okay? When we do our setup, looks like this, I need to figure out what number goes in this box. To do that, we take our 3n minus 2 and we set it equal to 0. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides, which gives me 3n equals 2, and then I divide by 3. So the number that we're putting into our box right now is a fraction, okay? First of all, that opens the door that we're dealing with fractions, not our favorite, and then it gives us a little bit of a tweak once we are done. So let's just take a look and see how this plays out. So I'm putting my 2/3 in the box, and then I'm using my coefficients. So I have 6, -19, 34, and -16. No missing variables, so we don't need any placeholders. All right, first step, we drop the 6. Nice. So if we take 6 and I have to multiply it to 2/3, what I'm going to do, that's going to look like 6 times 2 divided by 3. So 6 times 2 is 12, divided by 3 is 4. Okay? -19 plus 4 is -15. So -15 times 2/3, that's going to be -15 times 2 divided by 3. -15 times 2 is -30, divided by 3 is -10. Okay, 34 plus -10, that's 24. Okay, again, 24 times 2/3, that's 24 times 2 divided by 3. 24 times 2 is 48. 48 divided by 3 is a positive 16. -16 plus 16 is 0, and we're done dividing. Okay, we get a 0, so we know our 3n minus 2 is a factor of our polynomial, and our resulting answer here is going to be 6x squared minus 15x, 6x squared minus 15x plus 24. Okay? Yeah, we're multiplying by a fraction. Not our favorite, not too terrible. Here's the problem. If we were to take this polynomial and we were going to multiply it to 3n minus 2, which we just divided by, it will take us back to our original polynomial. Multiplication undoes the division, right? Well, 3n, n's and x's. Why didn't you guys tell me I had messed up my variables? We'll go ahead and change this to an x just to keep everything the same. Oh, heavens be. All right. Variables, the names can change. Pay attention to your variables. All right. What is 3x times 6x squared? I'm distributing. That's 18x cubed, which, I didn't start with 18x cubed. I started with 6. Why is my answer wrong? I'll tell you. All right. What we've done, when we divide by this 2/3, we're actually not using this 3x minus 2 anymore. We're actually using x minus 2/3. Okay? I'll explain in more detail in person. It'll make more sense, I promise. But this is actually what happened. See how the x has been divided by 3 and the 2 has been divided by 3? So what I need to do, I actually need to divide my answer by 3. So I'm going to get 2x squared minus 5x plus 8. If I were to multiply this back to my 3x minus 2, 3x times 2x squared is my 6x cubed. Okay? So to get our final answer, we have to divide by that coefficient, the number attached to our x. Okay? Good luck!